Hello friends! In the previous video, we have come across a beautiful method, that is base method. Now you all are acquainted with particularly a number and its base. We have also studied the multiplication with the base of 10. So today let us study the multiplication with a number nearer to the base of 100. So here I am taking one example, 98 into 93, okay, is equal to question mark. Oh, is it possible to solve this example in just a few seconds? I hope with the school method it is impossible. So let's see, is base method going to help us? Sure. We'll write it in the vertical form, 98 into 93. Now these numbers are near to base of 100. Here we need to find out number or a complement which is difference between 100 and 98. A number goes 0, 2, that is minus 0, 2. So 100 minus 0, 2 is equal to 98. Now I am writing not only 2 but 0, 2 because in 100 is a base of 2-digit numbers and therefore here I need to have 2-digit numbers. Next 93. So 100 minus 7. 100 minus 7 is equal to 93. This particular sign is called as a bar sign. So this number is bar 2 and the number is bar 7. Now as it is a base of 2 digits, I do require only 2 digits here. So let us multiply 7 2s are 14 and 93 diagonally 93 minus 2 is equal to 91. So I will write the answer of this is 9114. Isn't it that simple? If you practice some such examples, definitely you will come to know that within few seconds you can multiply this number without having a table of any number like 93 or 98. Let us have some more example in this pattern. Yes, I will take another example, 97 into 91. So I will write here 97 into 91 and then what will be the base? 100 is the base. So here I will write bar 3, 100 minus 3 is equal to 97 and 100 minus 9 is equal to 91. Isn't it beautiful? So 9 3s are 27. I got 2 digits here. 2 digits here. Say it is minus 3 into minus 9 is equal to plus 27. In some of the previous videos, we have already studied this pattern. Negative into negative is positive. And 91 minus 3 is 88. So my dear students, we will have here answer 8827. Isn't it beautiful? So easy method. Okay. So we'll have some more examples like (95) into 86. Okay, 95 into 86, base of 100, 100 minus 5, and for this now we have studied Nikhilam. We want a difference between 100 and 86. So its complement is 1 and this complement is 4. 9's complement, 10's complement. Now 15 into 5 is 70, and let us subtract this. 86 minus 5, it is 81. So I will get your answer 8170. I hope you must have liked these examples, and you can practice some more example in same pattern. So if we can multiply, if you are able to multiply these numbers for base of 100, is possible to implement same method for the numbers which are near to 1000? Yes, let us see the base of 1000. The very particular thing about this, we have to always remember is 1000 is the base of 3-digit numbers. Let us have a beautiful example. 996 into 992. Okay, now these seems to be very bigger numbers. Can we solve the example with the help of base method within few seconds? Because to multiply this by school method is the longest process and may require more time. 996 into 992 with the base of 1000, we can write here the bases. The very simple method is complement method. You can apply the complementary method which we have already studied in some of the previous videos. And for 992, it is 008. Now you might be surprising why I have written here 004 and not only 4. Is there any difference between 004 and 4? Yes, there is no difference, but for our convenience, as this is a base of 3-digit number, therefore we need to write here 3 digits. So that in answer also we will get 3 digits. Now 8 4s are 32. Are these 3 digits? No, this is a 2-digit number. So to make it 3-digit, we will make here 0. Yes. Now the simple 992 minus 4, or you may do 996 minus 8. The answer comes 988. So here the answer for multiplication will be 988032. Don't you think this is a miraculous method? Yes. And with the help of this method, the way you will practice it, you can extend your IQ for mathematics, and you can even solve 875 into any number here. Okay. So one by one we will come to that level. I will write here one more example. 975 into say for 924. Okay. So now these numbers are little away or far from 1000. 975 into 924. In one of my upcoming videos, I will teach you magic multiplication, that is multiplication with the number of 5, 25, 11, 9 and their multiples. So here this is a typical example. The numbers are near to 1000, base of 1000. Let us apply some complement 0, 2 and 5. Yes, 0, 2, 5. And here it will be 0, 6, 0, 7, 6. Okay. Now multiplication of these two numbers. There is one more method in Vedic maths which can be applied any number into 25. So that method you will come to know the explanation given in one of the video. Please go through it. I am writing here the multiplication, that is 1900. Okay. So I got here 1900 as a multiplication of 76 minus 76 into minus 25. Okay. Now here just a subtraction. 924 minus 025 will be 899. So the multiplication goes as 899, but now we do require only 3 digits. We do require here 3 digits. Here the 4th digit is an extra digit. Yes. So this extra digit must be given to the next column. 899 plus 1 will be 900, and this again 900. So our answer, instead of 899, it will be 900. Okay. What is such a beautiful method we have to get the answer. That is a quick answer. If we have here only 3 digits, if extra digit it may come, it has to be forwarded. Okay. So that you can simplify your sum to get the desired answer. Okay. We'll have one more example. (989) into 904, okay, is equal to what? 989 into 904, if we multiply it, actually it is a base of 1000. So let us apply the base method to get our complement, and for 904 it is 96. Now our question is 96 into 11. Now there is one more video in which I have explained you about how to multiply n number by 11, and that is so simple. I will apply that and I will get my answer. It is 1056. Okay. But I want here only 3 digits, so this is the extra digit. Let us subtract this number. 904, you can apply Nikhilam to subtract it. Or there is one more simple method. Here is 904 minus 11. So first of all subtract only 4. It is minus 11, can be written as 9